The next important backup feature in Veeam Backup and Replication is Veeam Zip. Veeam Backup and Replication, you can quickly perform backup with one or more virtual machine with Veeam Zip. It is almost similar to a full backup, okay? And Veeam Zip job always produce a full backup file, that VBK file, that act as an independent restore point. You can store the backup file to a backup repository, to a local server or a network share. So when you perform a Veeam backup with the Veeam Zip, you do not have to configure a backup job and schedule it. Instead, you can start backup process immediately, and that's the difference. So I'll show you here. Let's check. This is my Windows 10 machine, and this is a Veeam Zip feature. When you click here, you find a new option. If you go and click like backup job, then you are going to find some lot of lengthy process. But if you simply go right click and say Veeam Zip, which repository you want to save, or a local or a shared folder, that option is available. And you can also choose delete this backup automatically, so and so. Go OK. That's it, the backup has been started with a matter of one click. So it saves you a lot of time if to take the backup. It takes the same amount of time for a backup. It depends on your virtual machine size. So I'll pause the video to save the video length. So this Veeam Zip backup is 99%.